Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm down here at the marina doing this little blue-holed Aspen. Basically just doing a maintenance detail on the hull in particular. I washed the whole boat from the top down earlier today, and now I'm just doing a orbital polishing wax using this Griot's Garage orbital polisher. It's their basic one. It's about $165 or maybe $175 now, roughly. Funny thing is, I think I saw them today in AutoZone, so apparently they're carrying them now too. But you can get them online at griotsgarage.com, which not a sponsor or sponsored by them, but Griot's, if you're listening, I'm open to that. But I am a fan of their machines. I use both that orbital polisher, which I believe is the short cord version, and then I've also got their Best in Show, I think it's called. Oh, it's the Boss, yeah. Best of Show, Boss. Orbital polisher, which is a long throw, closer to kind of a rotary polisher as far as the result you can get. This one's more of just a maintenance buffer that will help maintain a finish, but also can remove some light to, I'd say, moderate oxidation. Dark colored hull. I put on Meguiar's Flagship Premium all the way to about here, and I'm just working my way down the rest of the hull. When I get to the end, I'll come back down to the stern and just start wiping it off with I like to use cotton towels. Some people swear by the microfibers for wiping off wax, and on newer gel coat you can. So in this case I could, but generally I like to use cotton. I just feel like they lift it off better. It's easier to get it off. Sometimes you'll leave a residue, so a microfiber as a second wipe down does work. As you can see with this hull, it's in pretty decent shape. The owner actually had an issue where something got sprayed on the side, and they wanted me just to come and just make sure the wax was all good. So I'm going to do both sides of the hull using this Griot's Garage orbital polisher. Alright, so I'm going to do a little one-handed demo. Forgive me for the poor quality. I didn't bring my tripod today, so I'm going to try to do this one-handed, not drop the buffer or my phone in the water, or myself for that matter. Alright, so this is what it looks like after applying with the Griot's orbital, and then coming back and removing it with a white cotton or terry cloth towel.